Welcome to today's video where we'll elevate your English by exploring advanced alternatives to the phrase, I understand. Let's dive into these 10 unique expressions with simple sentence examples. First up, I see your point. This phrase shows empathy and comprehension. For example, I see your point about the new project timeline. Next, we have I get it. It's casual yet effective. For instance, I get it. The budget constraints are tight this quarter. Consider using that makes sense. It confirms logical understanding. For example, that makes sense given the current market trends. Try I follow. It indicates you're keeping up with the conversation. For example, I follow what you're saying about the sales strategy. Another good one is I grasp the concept. It shows intellectual engagement. For instance, I grasp the concept of the new marketing approach. Got it is straightforward and clear. It can be used like this. Got it, I'll make sure to update the report by Friday. You can also say, I'm with you. It conveys solidarity and understanding. For example, I'm with you on the need for team collaboration. Understood is concise and formal. You could use it like this. Understood, I'll adjust the project plan as requested. Noted serves well in both professional and casual settings. For instance, noted, I'll remember to bring that up in the meeting. I acknowledge that recognizes the other person's statement. For example, I acknowledge that the deadline is challenging, but doable. Now you have 10 advanced alternatives to I understand. Practice these phrases to sound more fluent and sophisticated in your conversations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.